Hey, Mama Cat. You hungry? Huh? You hungry? Yeah, I'm getting it. Hold on. I'm coming. Hold on, I gotta get your water. Here, watch out, kitty. I'm gonna move it. Here, let me move it. Can I get it? Here, I'm gonna take it over here. Come on. Come on, over here. Come on. Over here. Ooh. Don't knock it over. Ooh. Let me move the pump. Let me move the pump. You hungry, huh? You got them babies in there. Let me move your water over so it doesn't spill on your food. Can I do that? Good girl. You got something in your ear. What is that? Oh. Should have had the money. You don't deserve this life. None of these neighbor cats do. There's like literally probably 50 or more cats up the road, like literally within a block. It's so sad. I'm just glad that she knows that she can come here and I'll feed her. And it's usually morning hours and evening that she'll come. I do not leave the food sit out all the time. I feed as needed. We have bears and raccoons and all type deer. We have all types of animals here. So I feed her on demand. But like I said, it's usually just twice.